Open that? It's from Grandma and Grandpa. Berta. Maxie, stop. Sit. Sit down. You open it? Maxie wants to help you open it.
What's that? Big truck.
Oh. Is it a Hummer? Kind of looks like a Hummer to Mommy. Hummer. You say thank you?
Thank you.
Say love you. Say love you. No? Here. What's that? Maxie. Max wants a present too. Oh, it's got bugs all over it. Say shoo, fly, shoo. What else? Is there more? Another t-shirt. What's that got? Oh, trucks.
I see.
What do you see?
I can
A crane, yeah. What color is the crane?
eat
Red. What color is the bulldozer?
yellow.
What color is the dump truck?
Yellow.
What's this color up here? That one.
This.
What color?
Oh.
Purple? No, it's blue. Wow. Say thank you.